Photoleap is a photo editor app that transforms your images with AI photo filters. I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to download Photoleap app. Let's get started. Open the Play Store first on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Type in Photoleap. Then tap on Search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon to start the installation process. Tap on the open icon after the download is completed. Now you can start using the application by following these steps as instructed. And that is how you can download Photoleap app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.